Poorna Titali Asana, full butterfly, base position. Sit with your legs extending in front of you, feet close together but not touching. Place the palms of the hands on the floor to the sides, just behind the buttocks. The back, neck and head should be comfortably straight. Straighten the elbows. Lean back slightly using your hands. Close the eyes. Relax the whole body. One. Bend your knees and place your feet together with the soles facing each other. Try to pull your heels as close to your perineum as possible. Fully relax the inner thigh muscles. Interlace your fingers and place them under your feet. Try to place your knees on the floor, gently pressing on them with your elbows. At the same time, lean your body forward. Try to touch the floor with your forehead. Two. From position 1, place your palms on the floor, behind you at your sides. Using your hands, try to lower your knees to the floor. Then allow them to return to the top position. Repeat this 20 times or more if possible. 3. Keeping your feet together. Place your palms on your knees. Pressing with your palms, push your knees towards the floor. Then, releasing the pressure from your hands. Allow them to return to the top position. Repeat this 20 times or more. Breathing is normal and does not depend on practice. Awareness on the hip joint movement and relaxation.